Colchester is back, the next generation of Colchester lathes. Tell me what's new.
Basically, what we've got now is the next generation of slant bed CNCs called the Typhoon. It's moving on from the predecessor, the highly successful Tornado range of machines, which was first produced in 1994. So what we've got here now, this particular machine, this is sub-spindle machine, 65mm bar capacity, twin spindle, Y-axis machine, allowing single hit machining.
Right, so you've got twin spindle, Y-axis and driven tooling?
We have, yep. We've got a 12-station Sauter BMT turret fitted on here as standard, allowing full capability, milling, drilling, complex engraving, on all the parts basically.
And you also, I can see you've got a conveyor here and you're making the components complete?
We are in this particular machine. The parts conveyor, it allows the components to come off the machine, move away without getting damaged.
And what about the capacity of the machine? What kind of range do you have?
Well, on the whole range now, the new range of Typhoons, we have over 40 machines in the range, ranging from 2-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis, sub-spindle machine and Y-axis. And the actual range is from 42mm bar capacity all the way up to 165mm, and from 300 turning centre all the way up to 2.2 metres. So it's a fantastic range of the machines, basically giving our customers what they need.
And the programming language?
We have standard on here, the Faneco ITF control, but we can also offer as an option as well the Siemens 828 control with shop turn. So again, allowing flexibility for our customers, giving them a solution to what they require.
When we talk about solutions, I mean, the twin spindle lathes, it's such a saturated market now. So what is your unique selling point?
Basically, this is Colchester. Colchester is probably the most recognisable brand name in the market globally when it comes to turning products. Colchester, it's all about offering quality, backup and service and support to our customers.
Paul, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.